Let's take a look at U.1. Does x, y satisfy the equation? So we're looking at order pairs. So for example, in this first problem, is 0, 0 a solution to this equation, y equals 5x? So let me show you how you should think about this. I'm going to work it out. I don't think you have to on this particular problem, but as we look at this, what we want to do is we want to substitute in our x and our y. Now this is pretty straightforward. The x is 0 and the y is 0. So for y, we sub in 0. So we sub in 0 for y. Oh, I can't get that to right. So we sub in 0 for y, and that is equal to 5 multiplied by, instead of x, we sub in a 0 as well. And then we just simplify. 5 times 0, is that equal to 0? And yes, it is. So this is a solution to the equation y equals 5x. So 0, 0 is a solution to y equals 5x. Yes. There you go. All right, let's move on to a different level. Let's take a look at this one. Is 6, 5 a solution to this equation, y equals x? Same idea. We are going to take our x coordinate, which is 6. We're going to sub it in for x. So 6 goes on the right side. We're going to take our y coordinate, which is 5. Sub it in on the right. Is 5 equal to 6? No, it is not. So no, this is not a solution. So we go back over here. 6, 5 is not a solution to y equals x. So no. Let's jump up another level. Oh, it looks like we're already at another level here. So now we have 0, 4. Is this a solution to the equation y equals 9x plus 4? So same idea. We're going to take our x coordinate, which is 0. We're going to take our y coordinate, which is 4, and we're going to sub it in. So first off, y. The y coordinate is 4. Y coordinate is 4. Why is this happening? So I sub in x equals 0, y equals 4. So instead of y, we sub in 4. 9 times x, 9 times instead of x, we plug in 0, plus 4. We now simplify. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 4. That gives us 4 on the right side. And 4 is equal to 4. So yes, this is a solution. Yes. All right, let's step it up a level here. Same thing here. We're going to plug in x equals 0, y equals 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. Is that equal to y equals 5? Yes, it is. So that would be yes. Let's jump up another level. Again, we're just subbing in the x and the y coordinate. All right. Is 5 comma 85 a solution to that equation? Well, now there's no x here, right? Doesn't matter. You take 85, which is your y coordinate, sub it in. Is 85 equal to 85? The answer is yes, it is. So that is a solution. So again, oh no, there's no x coordinate, doesn't matter. So whatever the x value is, doesn't matter. All we're doing is paying attention to whatever variable we see in our equation, which is y in this case. 85 goes in for y. So yes, that is a solution. And last one, same idea. Y equals 355. There is no x coordinate. That is okay. We take 355. We sub it in for y. So yes, that's a solution. Let me see if I can find one more for us to work before I leave you off here. All right, yes, 0 for y, 0 for x. That's going to be a solution. All right, here we go. 13, sorry, negative 13 goes in for x. Multiply it by negative 12. Is that equal to 22 for y? Think about that. A negative times a negative, that's a positive. So that's so far so good. But negative 13 multiplied by negative 12. What's 13 times 10? 13 times 10 is 130. And it's going to be 2 times 13 more than that. So it's going to be 26 more than that. So that's going to be 156. 156 is not equal to 22, so no on that one. There you go. So that's how you do that. You're plugging in for x, plugging in for y, seeing if the equation comes out to be true. If the equation is true, then that ordered pair is a solution. If it's not true, then it's not a solution.